Well, hello there and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and I'm so glad that you stopped by today because I am making another pasta salad. I don't know if you can tell, but I love a good, hearty, delicious pasta salad, and this one is perfect for summer. I'm making a bruschetta pasta salad. Now, bruschetta is typically fresh tomatoes with fresh mozzarella and fresh basil. Throw that with some pasta and you cannot go wrong. Now I'm going to add my own little twist to this. I'm going to throw in some other fresh herbs simply because I have them and I want to use them. I'm kind of experimenting a little bit today with this recipe. So hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. So the pasta I'm using is the farfale or bow tie pasta. This was a 12-ounce package. I cooked them, drained them, and then let them cool. And then when I saw these sugar bombs, is what they're called, these little grape tomatoes, I thought they looked fantastic, so I'm going to use them. So I gave these tomatoes a rinse, and now I am going to slice them in half. All right, so I'm going to add them to my pasta. All right, then I have 2 of the 8-ounce containers of the fresh mozzarella cheese that has been marinated. So this is where I am experimenting just a little bit. So the fresh mozzarella is marinating in a blend of oils, olive oil and canola oil. So I think I'm going to use this oil because it is seasoned and flavorful instead of just extra virgin olive oil. You can use the olive oil if you prefer, but instead of just discarding this oil, I think I'm going to use it. Yeah. So I'm going to pour this oil into a bowl. All right, then I'm going to take the mozzarella balls and add them to the pasta. All right, so this is right around a cup of the oil. So to the oil, I'm going to add some red wine vinegar, and I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup, but you can use balsamic vinegar here if you want. And then what I have here is my homemade Italian dressing seasoning blend. A lot of times I'll buy the packaged Italian seasoning mix, but I just made my own today. And I will leave the recipe for this in the description box below, but I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to give this a good mix. I'm also going to squeeze the juice of about half of a lemon just to keep it fresh. All right, so now I'm going to pour this dressing over my tomatoes and pasta and mozzarella. And I'm going to give a good mix. All right, so the last thing that I'm going to do is add the fresh herbs. And of course, I've got some fresh basil here. And then I'm going to use my handy dandy herb shears, and I'm just going to cut this basil over my pasta. Just makes it so easy. And then I have some gorgeous flat Italian parsley, and I'm going to cut some of that as well. And I also have some oregano, and I'm going to cut some of that. All right, and these herb shears, they come with a little scraper that will scrape out the herbs. All right, just give this a good mix. Look at that, it's beautiful. So how easy was that? So simple. It's gorgeous and delicious. Y'all have got to come check it out. All right, now it's the moment I've been waiting for. It's time to eat. Now, if you wanted to add some pepperoni or peppers or anything else to this, you could if you wanted. But I like it just like this. This is so full of flavor. Well, thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.